team. Welcome to TrioTech Software Trainings. My name is Kumar and I am the trainer for this program on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. So before starting the session, can any one of you please confirm in the chat, am I audible to everyone team? Yes, thank you, Hari Krishna. Yeah, fine. I got the confirmation team. Thank you for the confirmation. So before starting the session for today team, again, I want to thank you everyone for joining the session today in the morning at 8 o'clock. So again, a warm welcome to TrioTech Software Trainings. And today we plan for a demo or a master class on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications. Before starting the session for today, before getting into the details of what are the things that we are going to cover as part of the demo today, let me tell you something, team. So today, the participants who joined the session, we have mix of participants attending from different backgrounds team. Like we have freshers who recently passed out from different graduations and planning to start their career into IT with one of the best technology in the market, right? And then we have people from other domain experiences, means non-IT experience they might be having. They're into sales, they're into HR, recruiting, or they're into operations, they're into different other non-IT experiences and planning to switch their career to IT. And also we have the population who already having prior IT experiences, but not into Oracle Fusion applications. They might be working in some other domains in IT. It might be testing, it might be they're into other languages or any other technologies in the IT, but now planning to switch their career into Oracle Fusion. And we have also population who already having prior ERP backgrounds that you had in your past experiences, right? So this is a batch containing different population team. By keeping everyone interest in mind, we kept everyone in mute team, so it won't get disrupted with the flow. Like if you have any questions in the due course of time, when the session is being taken place, I request everyone team, please note down your questions. Please park your questions for demo today, not for the every session, but at least for the demo today. I request everyone to please focus on what are the activities that I'm going to take you through for the next 1 hour or 1.5 hour team. And if you have any doubts in meanwhile, please park your questions. At the end of the class, I will be taking one-on-one doubt session team. Every one question I will address and then I will close the session for today. So please make a note of it. Maximum your questions will be addressed once we complete this demo. Many of you might be having different questions in mind, whether this technology is suitable to me or not. Okay. Or am I the right person to learn this technology or not? Or does it require any coding skills or any prerequisites to learn this technology or not? Or down the line, next 5-10 years, once we learn this technology and we start with this technology, our career, where we will be landing upon. Many questions might be having for different participants team. Once we complete the session, maximum questions will be addressed to your team. If anything else is there on top of that, I will personally discuss with one-on-one at the end of the session. We have a Q&A where we can exclusively discuss all your doubts team. And for Telugu participants, I will also take the doubts in Telugu at the end of the session team. Okay. So I request everyone to please be on the mute for next 1 hour 30 minutes team, because demo session slightly it will get extended team, because I have to explain you the background of this technology, then what is this actually, who will be using this technology, and once we learn this course where we are going to start our career in market, what kind of salaries we have, what sort of demand this technology have. These all things I'm going to explain your team. So I request everyone to please be on the session till the end so that you can able to get maximum information about this technology and what is the course price, what benefits that you are going to get from the point of placement and all. I'm going to explain at the end of the session, team. So this is about precisely before starting the demo, I want to share with you the reason why we put you in the mute. Okay. Now, team, let me move on to today's demo. So why we are here today? Today, as I told you, team, we are going to have a masterclass demo on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications, team. In this demo, I'm going to explain you how to land upon a high-paying job, even as a beginner with zero coding knowledge and with non-IT experience. If you are a beginner, fresher, planning to move to IT, or you are having other non-IT experience, you are planning to move to IT, and you are hesitate about the coding requirements, you are not aware of coding or any other languages, okay, how to land upon a high paying job even as a beginner with zero coding and with non-IT experience, because we have one good technology in the market with a completely zero coding team, that is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application. So we are going to have a demo on this particular technology. In this demo, I'm going to explain you what is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application, what sort of companies will be using this technology for what purpose in their company, and what will be our role once we learn this technology, in which type of companies in the market we will be recruited, and what sort of work that we will do, right? What are the career opportunities, what sort of salaries we have in this domain. Everything I'm going to explain in today's demo, team. So let me move on to agenda for today. But before, team, moving to agenda for the today's demo, let me briefly explain about myself. Because when you learning a technology from someone, what is that person's accreditation, what is the experience that trainer is having, you people also should aware of, right? So let me briefly introduce about myself, who I am, where I am from, and what sort of experience that I am having in this technology team. So as I already told you, my name is Kumar and I'm an Oracle certified implementation specialist with overall 14 plus years of experience, team. So I'm having total 14 plus years of experience, and out of that, last 12 plus years, team, I'm into IT consulting. Total experience I have is 14 plus, and the IT experience I'm having 12 plus years into IT consulting team. And coming to this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications team, in my past experience, I mean, from the last 8 to 9 years, I've been part of this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications team. Prior to that, I worked for other ERP application in the HR domain. But from last 8 to 9 years team, I've been part of this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications exclusively. And the count is, I have to update this count. As of today, even now also I'm working for a company team. Close to 14 plus end-to-end implementation and support projects I worked on so far in this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications team. Coming to my clients that I worked, all these 14 plus clients, what I'm mentioning, I worked for the clients covering from multiple legislations team. I worked for the clients in US, UK, Australia, Finland, UAE, etc. Now also, we are currently working on a global implementation team for one of the MNC and who is having presence more than 50 plus countries. So one of the global implementation project currently I'm also part of, and I'm a solution architect and a lead in that project team, handling close to 14 plus team members. And I'm currently working on that implementation and the rollout project team. And I'm also a corporate trainer who delivered 25 plus trainings to several companies, like the regular trainings that happens in TrioTech every month. A part of this team, we also conduct trainings in several IT companies as well team. In order to upskill their employees in this technology, companies do conduct trainings in their organization. So as part of that, TrioTech is associated with several corporate companies as well team for delivering the trainings. So close to 25 plus trainings. If I have to name them, we delivered recently for Tech Mahindra, Infosys, and DHL, and Hathway, the internet company, right? Even for them, they are also using Oracle Fusion system for their in-house employees trainings. We delivered corporate training for them recently, team. So some of them are there. And I'm an ex-Deloitte, Infosys, and E&Y employee. And currently also, I'm a working professional. And as I mentioned, I'm working for one of the global implementation for one of the global client team. So this is about myself. And I'm a Oracle certified implementation specialist. In all the modules of Oracle Fusion HCM, I do cleared my certifications as well, team. I'm a certified implementation specialist by Oracle. And also, I'm a trainer with Oracle University as well, team. I have conducted couple of trainings in Oracle University as well for the programs that Oracle do offer as part of their training activity team. This is about brief introduction about myself, who I am, what sort of experience that I'm having in this technology. Now, moving on to today's demo agenda. What we are going to see in today's demo class team. First of all, I'm going to introduce to you the concept of ERP, because team, before we learning Oracle Fusion HCM cloud application, you should know about what is this concept of ERP. Why? Because our Fusion application comes under ERP category or ERP family team. So already experienced people, you are aware of this. But by keeping freshers and other non-IT experienced people, I will just give you a brief understanding about the concept of ERP. What are the different ERP products available in the market, like our Oracle Fusion application? We will see here, team. And then I will talk about what is Fusion application and Fusion applications evaluation overview. What is this technology? For what purpose this technology will be used in the market? And then team, Fusion applications evaluation overview. Like when Oracle introduced these applications in the market, prior to that, what are the existing ERP products available in the market? The entire history of these Fusion applications, we will be talking here, team. And then I will talk about types of companies involved. See, any software technology in the market you take, team. Any software technology in the market you take, team. You should be knowing about how many companies involved in the usability of that technology. So here I am going to explain you, team, who is a vendor or who is going to sell this product in the market, who is going to buy this product, okay, and then who will be the implementation partner. So I'm going to explain you, team, types of companies involved and in which company we will be working. That all you will be getting understanding here, team. Types of companies involved in this particular product. And then I will be talking about Fusion environment releases, team. Means what? Whenever Fusion applications introduced in the market, what is the release version Oracle came up? And since then, now we are in 2024 in the month of June. Now, as of till date, what is the latest version of the Fusion application? And your training also will be conducted on the latest version of this application team. So here we will talk about the Fusion environment releases team. And then I will talk about modules in Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud, like the entire components in this technology. Because many participants prior to attending the demo today, when they are inquiring about the course, they used to ask us, Kumar, in this technology, we heard that something like functional, technical, these all stuff, and also any sort of prerequisites of learning any coding or any languages like SQL, PLSQL, anything is required. These type of questions I will be receiving from participants team. Here I am going to ice break you on that. Here I'm going to explain you what comes under functional, what comes under technical in this Fusion application, what are the total modules we have in this technology, and as part of this program, whatever the program that we are offering team, what we are going to cover, and what is the scope of prerequisites to learn before learning this technology. That all things I'm going to explain you here, team. And then I will talk about team career opportunities in Oracle Fusion HCM. So what sort of roles you will be recruited in the market, what sort of demand this technology is having, why, whether this technology have any recession type of impacts or not, or any what sort of salary that offering in the market, if it is fresher or if it is experienced, what sort of thing, that all we will be talking here, team. And what will be your career graph down the line 5 to 10 years once you start your career in this technology today, that all we will see here, team. And then we will talk about Oracle knowledge repository. So here I am going to introduce to you, team, Oracle documentation, because for every application of Oracle team, Oracle standardly delivers their repository access to all the participants across the globe. So how to browse in the internet to access Oracle standard documents for all the modules, team, that I will explain you here. But basically, as part of the course, we are going to offer you all the materials, team. Our customized materials will be there. But on top of that, if you want to access Oracle delivered materials, where to access in the internet, that I'm going to show you. And then, team, some of you also asking me about certification, how it will work, Kumar, in this technology. By learning this course, we'll get the job, or we should also do any certification in this technology. And if at all, if we have to do that, what is the mode of examination, what is the cost incurred, how to apply, what is the examination evaluation pattern, what is the pass percentage, that I will explain you in certification process, team. And finally, we will conclude the session for today with why to choose TrioTech software trainings. Here I will explain you what are the course features, what are the benefits that you are going to get as part of course and the placement, and the course fee. And we do also have an early bird offer only for the today enrolled participants, team. So for every batch, we will have an offer price on the regular course fee that will be revealed at the end of the class, team. So let us start with the very first topic for today, that is introduction to ERP. So what do you mean by ERP, team? Okay, but before getting into introduction to ERP, team, I want to make you clear on one part. For whom this technology is for? What is the technology we are going to learn, team? Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. Correct. For whom this technology is eligible? Let me explain you that, and I will move on to the first topic for today, team. See, for whom this course is for. If you fall in any of these criteria, team, then this is suitable to you. As I told you, first of all, team, this is a completely zero coding application. No coding language is required to learn this course. It's a very plain functional application, team. and for whom this course is meant for. If you are in your final year of degree, okay, it might be any background, not necessarily BTech or MCA, no technical degree. You might be from BCom, BSc, BBA, MPharm, MSc, any background of your degree team. In ERP applications, the best part is team. Companies will not mandatorily look for your technical degree. Means only candidate should be from BTech or MCA. No. People from any background are suitable or eligible to learn this course. So if you are in your final year of degree, you want to move to IT with a good technology, with a high paying technology and a long lasting technology, then you are eligible to learn this course. And if you have just completed your graduation and don't know what to do, like 1 year, 2 years it's been, you have not placed anywhere with your relevant domain experience. Now you want to plan to switch to IT, then you can learn this technology. And if you want to get a high paying job moving out of your current unstable job, like people who are into non-IT experiences, you might be working as a voice processor executive, or you might be working as a sales assistant or trainees, or you might be working as insurance banking agents, or you might be working as recruiters or US staffing, talent and acquisition domain experiences. Now you want to move to IT with a good package, then you can learn this technology and it's suitable to your team. Anyone from any non-IT background want to make their career into IT, then you are eligible team. And if you want to get a salary range of 25 to 45 lakhs per annum in the next 4 to 5 years, then this technology is best suitable to you. In this technology, currently, the salary packages are phenomenally increasing team, because the demand for this technology is very high and there is a lot of resource crunch is there. Due to that, companies offering good sum of packages to the candidates team. And as I told you, people from any degree and any background can learn this. So if you fall in any of these criteria, if you have a career gap, even then you are eligible to learn this course. How to plan and all, I will be discussing one-on-one. We can discuss that offline team. So if you fall any of these criteria, then you can learn this technology and you can start your career team with due support from TrioTech. Whatever the curriculum that we covering every day without missing the classes, if you focus and attend the plan that what we are giving to you, if you follow exactly team, whatever the interview preparation activities that we are taking up, if you thoroughly follow exactly what we are conveying in the class, if you repeat in the interview there, then definitely you will be getting a good job team. So let us explain one by one in the coming classes team. And now let me move on to the very first concept for today, that is introduction to ERP, enterprise resource planning. What do you mean by the concept of ERP team? See, ERP is an acronym that stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Basically, team, it's a business process management software that manages and integrates companies' financial, supply chain, operations, commerce, reporting, manufacturing, and HR activities. See, basically, team, any company you take in the market, any company of well-known Indian companies you take or MNCs across the world, anything you take, Tata Group, Reliance Industries, Cisco System, Apple, Amazon, Google, Flipkart, any company that you aware of, you take team as an example. In every organization, there will be different business processes involved with team. In every company, there will be a HR department, HR business area, who is responsible of taking care of all employee management in the organization team. And in every organization, there will be a finance business area who is responsible for handling all the financial activities of the organizations, payables, receivables, everything team. And if it is a manufacturing company team, every company will have supply chain department or business area, procurement, marketing, sales, if you take any company in their operations, if you see team, several business functions involved, several departments or several business activities involved team, HR, finance, operations, supply chain, marketing, admin, different business functionalities involved team. In order to conduct all these business operations, companies requires a tech-based modular software applications team. Companies requires tech-based modular software applications team. For example, you take HR department in any organization team, human resources department. We all know, right? Even freshers also might be aware of this. If you want to get a job, HR from a company will call you, correct? In every company, there will be HR department or HR business area team. What is the roles and responsibilities of that business area or department team? They are responsible for employee management, like recruiting of the employees in the company, maintaining the employees in the company, every month their leaves, every month their salaries, every year their performance appraisal, hire to exit, hiring of an employee to exit of an employee. Everything will be maintained by the HR department people in the organization. In order to maintain all that activities team, companies require a tech-based software applications. You can ask me, Kumar, prior to these ERP technologies in the market, how companies used to do all these activities manually? 30, 40 years back or 50 years back, how companies function team manually, or even today, small companies are there, 10 employees size company, 50 employee size company, they can maintain their activities manually in Excel, in Word, or in physical books. They will take the attendance every day, how many people coming, present, absence, and they will pay salaries through banks manually, and they will maintain in the Excel for which employee how much we paid, like this. But if a company having 1,000 employees, 5,000 employees, 10,000 employees in their organization, can they do manually all the activities team? They can't do, right? For 5,000 employees, manually doing is not possible. Then how? In order to do all their HR related activities team, companies do require a software or a technology. One such product offered by Oracle Corporation is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud, Human Capital Management. It's a complete HR related software application team using for the HR related activities in the companies. So ERP is a category, is a family team. Under that ERP category, different products offered by different companies. For example, team, mobile is there, okay, that which we will be using. Mobile will be offered by different companies. Cell phone, I mean, mobile means cell phone. Apple is offering their mobile. Samsung is offering. Lenovo, sorry, Oppo, okay, different companies, Nokia. But the product is what? Mobile. The usage is what? For calling or WhatsApp, whatever it is. But different companies offering different products of there. Similarly, ERP is a technology or a category or a family team. Under that ERP family, different companies offering different ERP products. Oracle offering Oracle Fusion applications. Like SAP is having their products. Salesforce is one ERP application. Sage, Blackboard, Northgate, Pegasus. To make you clear, team, some of the ERP products in the market I have put forward here. And we have Workday. We have even Indian company Zoho. These all are ERP products, team. The utilization of ERP products in any company is for what? In order to conduct their day-to-day business activities. So in order to perform all their business functions, team, companies will be using these ERP products in their business. So we are learning one among them in order to cater HR related activities in their organization, in order to perform HR related business activities in their organization, companies will be using this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications team. So Oracle's ERP applications in the market are Fusion applications team. In Oracle Fusion, they have Oracle Fusion HCM. We are learning about that. They have Oracle Fusion Financials, Oracle Fusion SCM, Supply Chain Management, Oracle Fusion Procurement. To cater all the business functions team, Oracle also have different products under Fusion. But we are learning about HR related software application, that is Oracle Fusion HCM. Okay. This is about the concept of ERP in the market team. Okay. Now moving on to what is Oracle Fusion application. See, if anyone asks me, Kumar, what is Fusion application? I can best describe Fusion applications into three categories team. Fusion applications built on open standard based platform. They built on best business processes and they can be deployed through selection of options. What is this, Kumar? Built on open standard based platform. See team, these are the different individual technologies in the market, technical tools in the market team. Oracle SOA, service oriented architecture, WebLogic server, JDeveloper, OBIEE, Web Center portal. These all are the individual technical tools available in the market team. Oracle Fusion applications backend schema built on these technologies. These are the technical tools used by Oracle in order to build or design this Fusion applications team. So this is just for information purpose team. If any one of you from previous technical background, middleware backgrounds or anything, to make you understand the background or the schema of the Fusion applications built on these technical tools. Nowhere in the interview this question will be asked to you, but just for information purpose team, what are the different technical tools that Oracle Fusion applications is working on? These team, and they built on best business processes. This is something very important to understand by every person who learning this course. What is that team? Oracle Fusion applications built on best business processes. See team, whatever you are seeing here, Oracle EBS, E-Business Suite, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel, these all are the existing ERP applications in the market team. When, let me go to the next slide, you will understand about that. Fusion evaluation path. See team, Oracle E-Business Suite, Oracle's PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, okay, Siebel. See team, prior to 2006, all these are the existing ERP applications in the market. Oracle's own ERP application during that time was EBS, Oracle E-Business Suite. Then PeopleSoft is owned by PeopleSoft Corporation. JD Edwards is owned by JD Edwards Corporation. Siebel is owned by Siebel. Then Hyperion. These all are the individual ERP products or applications available prior to 2006 in the market team. But there was a concern during that time. What was that? None of the applications in the market during that time is very stable or matured in all the business areas team. For example, you take Oracle's e-business suite. Oracle EBS is very good at financials business area team, but Oracle EBS is not very good at HCM or SCM or other business area. Similarly, Hyperion, if you take, Hyperion is very good at reporting area. Siebel is very good at CRM, sales, customer relationship management business area. JD Edwards is very good at procurement and financials. PeopleSoft is very good at our HR related functional area, HCM or HRMS team. But during that time, none of the applications in the market very stable in all the business areas team. So what Oracle did was, in the year 2006, when in the year 2006, with $18 billion acquisition, Oracle acquired all these existing ERP products in the market. Oracle anyhow having EBS. Along with that, Oracle acquired PeopleSoft. Oracle acquired JD Edwards, Siebel, Hyperion in the market team. Whatever the best technologies in the market during that time, Oracle with $18 billion acquisition acquired all the products in the market team. And what they did team during that time, by taking the best technologies in the market team, Oracle taken the knowledge of financials from their e-business suite, then reporting from Hyperion, HR from PeopleSoft, procurement from JD Edwards. Oracle taken the best knowledge from all the best technologies in the market, and they started building this Oracle Fusion application. So Oracle want to build a global product where it should be stable, matured, and streamlined in all the business functions team. So in 2006, Oracle acquired these technologies in the market, and in the year 2009, in the year 2011, Oracle introduced Fusion applications in the open world. In 2006, they acquired all the existing technologies in the market team. They have taken the knowledge from all these and they designed the Fusion application. In 2011, Oracle introduced this Fusion applications into the open world. Now, some of you might be triggering with a question. Kumar, 2011 Fusion applications introduced. Now we are in 2024. Still demand is there for this technology? Absolutely. See, in 2011, a release version or the beta version Oracle launched team. 2015-16 is the actual time that Fusion entered into deep roots of the market team. From 2015, 16, 17 onwards only, clients adoption happened, because any product that if you want to take into the market, it will take a couple of years to penetrate team. So the actual market for the Fusion started from 2015, 16, 17 onwards. Now, if you ask me, the market for this technology is at peak level. The reason behind that I can tell you. Why? Because team, prior to Fusion, these all are the market leaders team. PeopleSoft is a market leader in the HR business area. JD Edwards is procurement, Siebel for CRM, EBS is for financials. What Oracle is doing team, Oracle stopped selling all these products. Oracle only continuing the support. For the next 10 years, Oracle will be continuing only support whoever the customers using these applications team. But new selling of these technologies, Oracle stopped. Oracle want to put Fusion applications at the global level compared to all other ERP technologies in the market team, far ahead. So Oracle insisting all their existing customers from PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Hyperion, EBS, all these customers to move to Fusion applications, because that is going to be the future. Because Fusion applications released on a cloud-based technology team. And nowadays we know every business is moving towards cloud. So Oracle insisting all their existing customers to move to Fusion application. That is the reason Oracle Fusion applications adoption in the market became phenomenal team. Many companies, in order to use in their day-to-day business activities, companies using Oracle Fusion applications team. In India, if you take our very well-known banks like HDFC, ICICI, and people from Hyderabad, if you know, some of the pharma companies, Hetero, Arabindo, even these companies now using Oracle Fusion application for their in-house day-to-day HR activities team. So from European, from American to Asian countries, everywhere customers moving towards Fusion application. The reason behind it is, if they buy Fusion applications team, the application is very streamlined and very structured and very what do I say, stable application team. That is a reason clients or the customers or the companies moving towards the Fusion application. That is a reason people who working on these technologies, the demand also increases team. So this is about the background or the evaluation of Fusion application team. And Fusion applications, as I told you, one more thing is there, deployed through selection of options, cloud and hybrid or on-premise team. So now on-premise model Oracle stopper team, completely Fusion applications now offering on a cloud-based technology. That I will tell you. Means what team? If any customer buy this product from Oracle, how the application will be delivered, they no need to install the application. They no need to buy the server. They no need to buy the data center, networking, storage, maintenance, nothing companies to do. They just buy the application from Oracle and they can start using team. Oracle Fusion application purely offered on a cloud-based technology. It means team just in the form of this URL. This is the application team. Fusion application is this one. Just if I go to any internet search engine, Google, Firefox, Explorer, anything, just if I pass the URL team, see, HTTPS login, and if I give a search, I can able to enter into the Fusion application team. Now see, sign in Oracle Applications Cloud. Did I install these applications anywhere in my laptop or in my desktop or PC? No. That is what cloud-based technology team. Anything that is hosted over the internet. So Fusion applications also hosted over the internet team. Whenever any company buy the product from Oracle, application will be delivered just in the form of web link, URL. They can pass that in any of the search engines and active internet connection. Then it will prompt us for sign in applications cloud. If I give the password team, okay. If I give the password team, the user ID and password I am giving, see here, okay. And if I click on sign in, then I will be entering into the Fusion applications page team. See now, I will be entering into the Fusion applications page. So this is the Oracle Fusion Cloud Applications UI. Okay. This is the Oracle Fusion Cloud Applications user interface. This is the look and feel of the application team. So any company, when they buy the product from Oracle to use in their HR activities team, Fusion HCM cloud applications will deliver in the form of URL. So it's a completely cloud-based application team. Even whenever you get, once you enrolled and once you receive this for practicing, we will be sharing this application access to you. So nothing to install in your laptop or nothing to come to the institute team. You can sit anywhere. If you have a good internet connection, you can able to start using the Fusion application. This is the Fusion applications user interface, the home screen team. So I will get into the details of this in next class team. What is the home screen functionalities, introduction about to the application. In the second class, you will be getting that. So let me move on to today's concepts team. 1 second. Let me go to. Okay. Next team, we understood what is ERP and we also understood Fusion applications background by this time. Next, I will talk about types of companies involved with team, because this is something very important. Whenever you're learning a technology, you should be knowing where you are going to work and what is client. I'm using the word from last 10 minutes, client, customer. You should know who is client or customer company, what is consulting company, and what is service provider company. So team, any software technology, it's not only about Oracle Fusion HCM team. You take Azure, you take AWS, DevOps, any technology in the market you take. Typically, three types of companies involved in the usability of the technology. First of all, team, service provider company. Nothing but team, company who is selling the product. So this Oracle Fusion applications is offering by whom? This product is whose application team? Oracle's corporation. Oracle India Private Limited is the service provider team. They will be selling the product in the market. That is called as service provider or the vendor company team. So Oracle India Private Limited owning this Oracle Fusion applications team. They are going to sell this product in the market. Now we will have one more team, client or the customer company. Who is client or the customer company team? Company who is purchasing the Oracle product from the service provider. That is called as client or the customer company team. Company who is purchasing to use in their in-house day-to-day operations team. That is called as client or the customer. For example, team Reliance Industries, Virgin Mobiles, L&T. Let's say team, our very well-known Reliance Industries you take. Now Reliance Industries want to use Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications in their day-to-day HR business activities team. What Reliance will do? Reliance will approach Oracle for buying the product. This is the service provider company who's selling the product. Okay. Then Reliance will be client or customer for that company team. Correct. So Reliance Industries, the company who want to purchase the product and use in their day-to-day HR activities team. That company is called as client or customer company. This is service provider and this is client or customer. Now, third, it will be consulting companies. We will be working here team. What are consulting companies? Companies who is implementing the product according to the client requirement. So Reliance Industries bought the product from Oracle team. See, concentrate, very important for the freshers particularly or the non-IT people, very important to understand this team. Now Reliance Industries bought the product from Oracle. They purchased the product from Oracle. But Reliance Industries want someone who can implement the product or the application according to their business requirement. Reliance having different companies across the globe. They have 20-25 companies. They have different operational units. They have different departments. Then employees will be working in different companies in different locations. Different leaves they have. Different salary processing rules they have. So Reliance Industries want someone to configure the system because team, when they buy the product from Oracle, they will get the blank product with all the functionalities and features team. So Reliance wants someone to configure or implement the application according to their business requirement so that they can use the application in their day-to-day activities team. What Reliance will do? Reliance will give project to the consulting companies in the market. Consulting companies means so-called IT companies in the market. Deloitte, Tech Mahindra, Cognizant, Accenture, Capgemini, whatnot. You can name whatever you know. All IT companies in the market, you can call it as consulting companies team. So Reliance Industries will be giving the project to the consulting company team. So these people will be acting as a implementation partner for the client. Now Reliance Industries given project to Deloitte team. So Deloitte, we will be working here as a consultants in this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud application. Once our company receives the project, once we deployed for that, we will be working on the client's implementation team. So we have to collect the requirement from the client, how they want the system to be configured, and we will be configuring the application according to their requirement. So once you learn this technology team, you will be recruited in these IT companies on this technology of Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. Once your company got the project, you will be deployed into that. Here, you have different projects team. You have implementation project, support project, testing projects, upgradation projects. That all I will tell you in the workshop sessions on implementation team. Because in this course program team, as part of the placement activities, we are going to conduct some workshops on resume preparation, interview preparation, then how to drop the resume, search for the jobs, and also team real time implementation, how it will happen, the project implementation. Because I know some of you will be trying to manipulate your experiences and put some fake experience, and you will be trying. So you should aware of what will happen in the organization actually team. Because if you get a question in the interview, can you please talk about what are your roles and responsibilities every day in the company, what you will tell? You already kept that you have an experience in the profile, but without working you don't know how to answer that. To give you all that realistic experiences team, we will be conducting some workshops on the implementation project, support projects, etc., like that. So what we will do in that, from starting to end in the implementation project, what are the different phases that we will be having team? Okay, like this, if you can see, uh, Oracle's implementation methodology. So from project management plan to till go live, what are the different phases involved? What we will do in each phase to the client. In as is study, what we will do, to be study, CRP1, CRP2, solution designing, testing. At each phase, what documents we will prepare and we will share. These all things you will be covered as part of our workshop sessions on placement activities team. So during that time, you will get clear understanding about the role that what you have to perform in day-to-day team. So you will be working here team. Once you learn this technology, your recruitment will happen in these IT companies on this technology as a consultants. Once your company get the project from client, okay, you will be deployed for that team. Sometimes you might be also getting the chance to work directly in the end user company, client companies also team. Because how many days Reliance Industries will depend on these consulting companies? They implemented team, but they are going to use this for next 5-10 years in their organization. They can't rely upon every time on the consulting companies, because when the application using team, several issues will be coming in the technology. There should be some team who should support for that. So internally also, many companies will develop their teams, IT teams team. Sometimes you might get a chance to work directly in these organizations also. Client companies who buy this Oracle product and using in their internal IT team on this technology to support, you might be also recruited. But if you get your selection in these consulting companies, your career will be bright, because here you will be getting the chance on implementation projects, different clients, different experiences you will have, different requirements you will be configuring. Career wise upliftment, if you see also team, if you work in these consulting companies, you will have more graph. Okay, so these are the types of companies involved in any of these ERP applications utilization team. Now, why Kumar in service provider, you also kept IBM, Deloitte, Accenture. Oracle is owning the product. They are selling in the market, right? See, Oracle itself cannot scale their product team. See, Apple is manufacturing iPhone. Apple alone cannot sell everywhere across the world. They can't scale their product. They can't reach throughout the world. They don't have their what have to say, stores available everywhere. They will also partner with different vendors. They will partner with Big C. They will partner with Lot Mobiles. They will partner with Bajaj Electronics. Correct. Similarly, team Oracle also, they individually cannot sell their product to maximum customers in the market, right? So Oracle also will give partnership for IBM, Deloitte, Accenture, some of the consulting companies there in the market, right? Sometimes they will also be selling the product on behalf of Oracle team. Oracle for that they provide gold partnership, silver partnership, platinum partnership, like that. So on behalf of Oracle, even sometimes the consulting companies also will be selling the product to the customers team. But whatever the way, these are the three types of companies involved in the usability of this Oracle Fusion applications team. Now, I will be moving to Fusion environment releases team. Like In which year Oracle introduced this product in the market? I told you, team. In 2011, Oracle introduced Fusion applications in the market. I told you. Correct, team. So in 2011, when Oracle introduced the Fusion applications in the market, team, what is the release version they introduced? You know, see, any software application will have the releases team. Even in our mobiles, Android, iOS, Apple mobiles, if you take, frequently every year you will be getting the software upgradations, right? Android 7.1 to 7.5 or iOS 10.1 to 11.1, something like that. On a specific time interval, softwares will upgrade. So every software will have a release version 10.1, or Windows we have Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8. Our Fusion applications also, team, will have the release versions. Okay. When in 2011, Oracle introduced Fusion applications in the market, R1 is the release version the Fusion applications introduced in the market, team. What is that? R1. Since then, the application got evolved. Now we are in 2024. The latest version of the Fusion applications, team, now is release 13. R1 is the release version in 2011 when Oracle introduced the applications, team. Since then, year by year, the application got evolved. And now the current latest version of the Fusion applications is, team, release 13. Okay. From release 1 to release 10. Okay. From release 1 to release 10, Oracle offered, one second, team. Okay, fine. From release 1 to release 10, team, Oracle offered the Fusion application both on-premise and cloud-based models, team. What do you mean by this, Kumar? On-premise and cloud. From release 1 to release 10, Oracle applications offered both on-premise and cloud options, team. During that time, if a customer want to opt for the on-premise model, Oracle sold the product in that. On-premise means, team, as the name itself telling, on premises, on office premises of the customer. So if they buy the product in the on-premise license, team, customers or the companies, client companies, have to buy the product along with the server. They used to buy the server from Oracle. They used to install that in their office premises, and application they used to install in that server. They used to also have their own data center, networking, storage, and a team of people like database administrator, network specialist, security admins, everything, and maintenance, upgradation, everything the client or the customer used to take care. That is the old traditional deployment option, team, on premises. Okay. That is, they used to maintain everything on their office premises, on their own server, everything, team. But cloud, as I told you, completely the dynamics of application utilization changed, team. Nowadays, Oracle Fusion application purely offered on a cloud-based technology only, team. Means what? If any company buying the product from Oracle, team, the application will be delivered just in the form of URL. I told you, right? Just in the form of URL. So what is a cloud-based technology, team? A software that is hosted over the internet. So from release 11 onwards, team, okay, Oracle stopped on-premise model and completely Fusion applications now offered on a cloud-based technology, team. Okay, that is something for your information purpose. I'm sharing this, team. Now, release 13 also, team, Oracle applications reached somewhere around 2017 end and early 2018 only, team. This release version 13 also in early 2018 or the end of 2017 only, Fusion application version updated team. Oracle made release 13 as a static version for the Fusion application team. So there will be no upgradation in that. Release 13. The numbering or the sequence that Oracle following in our team. Release 13, Oracle made it as static. But within that, Oracle maintaining sub sequences team for the release version. Let me talk about that team. See, Oracle follow quarterly upgradation policy. This is very important concept team. Usually no one will explain you even in the real time once you get into the companies also. You should learn here. Oracle will follow quarterly upgradation policy. What is that team? In a year, how many quarters we have team? Quarter means every 3 months is a quarter. Correct. Jan, Feb, March is one quarter. April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. In a year, 4 quarters we have. In a calendar year, we have 4 quarters. So Oracle will follow quarterly upgradation policy. Every 3 months, every quarter, Oracle provide upgrade to their application team. Their software upgrade Oracle will provide for every 3 months once. And Oracle categorized each quarter into alphabetical sequence as A, B, C, and D. As A, B, C, D. 4 quarters team. First quarter, Jan to March. Second quarter, April to June. Third quarter, July to September. Last quarter in the year, October to December. So Oracle designated each quarter into alphabetic A, B, C, D. D means 4th quarter. C means 3rd quarter. B means 2nd quarter. A means 1st quarter in the year. So every 3 months, Oracle upgrade their application team. Now let me show you as of today, what is the latest version of the Fusion application team. Okay. Now I logged into the Fusion application where I can find what is the latest version of the Fusion application team. If I come to the right side here, team, settings and actions button. Okay. Here at the bottom, I have team something called about this application. If I click on that, I can see what is the latest version of the Fusion application team. See, there is something called 24B 11.13.24.04. What is this, Kumar? What is this team? Let me go to the Excel. The current version it's showing as 24B. 1 second, team. Let me make this a PPT. Okay. Small. Right. So this is the version, team. 24B 11.13.24.04. What is this? Kumar, you told that Fusion applications are release 13, no? Yes, see here. Application Development Framework. Okay. REL 13. Okay. Oracle Middleware Extension for Application. REL 13. Database Compatibility. REL 13. So the latest version of the Fusion application as of today, 29th June, if you ask me, R1324B. What is the release version, team? R1324B is the latest version of the Fusion application, team. 24B. So what Oracle will follow, team? Now we are in June month. June month means April, May, June, 2nd quarter, correct, in the year. So we are 24B. So 24 stands for the current financial year we are in, 2024. B stands for which quarterly release? So 24B, we are in the 2nd quarterly release of this year, team. Next month, when we enter July, August, team, application will update. Again, 3rd quarterly upgrade for the year, it will come. And the sequence will change to 24C. And next quarter, it will change to 24D. This is the sequence. Okay. This is the sequence that Oracle will follow. Last quarter, it was a 24A for your previous batch. Last month batch, not last month team, for your previous quarter batch, like whoever in Jan, Feb, March, 24A is the version of the application team. So every year, Oracle will upgrade their application 4 times. 4 times in the year, they will upgrade their application team. Every 3 months, Oracle will upgrade. Every time when they're upgrading the application team, the release version will be following in this sequence. R13 24B. Next quarter, R13 24C. Then last quarter, 24D. Last year, this was the sequence team. 23D, 23C, 23B, 23A. Then next year, when we enter, it starts with 25, 2025, no, 25A, 25B, okay, then 25C and 25D. So like this team, the sequencing will be followed by Oracle team every year. This is 2023, this is 2024, and this is 2025. Every year, the upgrade versions will be followed like this team. Kumar, what upgrade means? What Oracle system will do? See, Oracle having a huge market across the globe. Many customers from different countries, different regions, and different industries using this Fusion application. So they want to give more rich experience, more stable, more functionalities in their day-to-day life for their application team. Oracle invests a lot in their research and development team. Continuously, Oracle trying to improvise their application. Every quarterly upgrade, what Oracle is doing, every time Oracle will enhance their application functionality. Some new functionalities Oracle will bring in the system. Any existing functionalities, if any bugs are there, issues are there, they will fix that. And if any unused functionalities by majority of the clients are there in the market, they don't feel that it is useful, that is replaced with some new functionality, some old functionalities it will deprecate. So every time, every quarter, when Oracle upgrading their application team, some new enhancements, some new functionalities Oracle will bringing in. And here team, I'm going to tell you that also in the next session, second class, after this demo, second class, I'm going to explain you Oracle knowledge repository team. I told right in the demo agenda for today, because I cannot complete knowledge repository and certification in today's class, that I will take in next class team. In Oracle knowledge repository, I'm going to introduce to you, because every time whenever Oracle upgrading the application, as a consultant who working on this technology, you should also upgrade along with the application. You should also grow along with the application team. How to find out? Every quarter when Oracle upgrading the application, Oracle will release the documents team, like in this upgrade, what new functionalities they are going to bring in the system. That all, how to access, how to find out, I will show in the next class team. But this is what happened. Oracle will follow quarterly upgradation policy. Every year, 4 times application upgradation they will provide every 3 months. And every time the sequence will follow like this team. 24B, next 24C, next 24D, like that team. During this time, in real-time projects, whenever you are working, certain activities we have to follow team. Every quarterly upgradation, we have to prepare impact analysis document and we have to share it to the client. And what are the new functionalities Oracle bringing in, we have to present to the client. Hey, these are the functionalities Oracle bringing in, you want to use this or you want to not. And some testings we have to do team. Oracle will give a date to every customer. On this date, we are upgrading the application. So during that time, some pre-sanitary checks, pre-upgrade testings, post-upgrade testings, regression testings we have to do. That I will tell in our workshop classes team. In implementation and support projects, I will talk about them. But there are certain activities in real time whenever you are working in the client's projects team, we have to do every 3 months when application is upgrading. But this is about team Fusion applications environment releases. Now I will try to debug this one also. 24B 11.13.24.04. What is this? 11 stands for 2011, the year which Oracle applications introduced in the market. 13 stands for release 13, R13. Okay. 24 stands for the current financial year we are in, 2024. And 04 stands for the current quarterly release. We are in second quarter. B means. So in the second quarter, what is the first month? April. April numerically, if you see, fourth month, 04, correct? Jan, Feb, March are 1, 2, 3 months. Fourth month is April. So 04. In 24B, in second quarter, first month number 4. Next quarterly upgrade, we are all going to see that team. Next month, we are going to get the upgrade to 24C team. When this upgrade happen, the release version will be like this. If anyone want, you can take a screenshot of this. You can refer also. 11.13.24.07. 07.0. 07 means what? In third quarter, what is the first month? July. July is what? Seventh month. So like this team, Oracle will follow the sequence numbers every quarter when they are upgrading the application team. This is Fusion environment releases. Now team, I will move on to Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application modules. What comes under functional, what comes under technical. First, I will list out team what all modules we have in this technology, what comes under functional, what comes under technical. Any prerequisites to learn this technology is required or not. That all we will see now, team. So I request everyone, please bear with me for next 15-20 minutes, because as it is a demo, we also started the class 10 minutes late. So slightly today's session will get extended, but from next session, Monday onwards, you won't be having that issue. Sharp 7 to 8. By the way, team, demo we planned as it is a weekend 8 to 9, but regular classes from Monday it will start, that is morning 7 to 8 team. So I request everyone, please fill the form. Our admin team sharing the Google form link in the chat board team. When you get the message, please fill that form so that after the class we can reach out to you for the enrollment confirmation team. So please bear with me for next 15 minutes. I'm trying to conclude the topics that we planned for today, team. Okay. Now, let us talk about the modules in this technology team. Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications. So this is the technology we are going to learn, right? Now, in this technology team, what are the concepts we have, team? We have the modules like, okay, let me list out them. Something like global HR, or we can call it as core HR team. Then we have something called absence management, right? And then we have something called payroll management, right, team? Payroll management. And then we have something called talent management. In talent management, again, we have sub-modules, team, like profile management, goals, performance management, succession management, like that. We have sub-modules again, team. And then we have something like, team, compensation and benefits, team. Okay. Basically, these two are two different modules in the system, but usually we will call together, team, compensation and benefits. And then we have OTL, Oracle Time and Labor, and we have some advanced modules like OLC, that Oracle Learning Cloud. Okay. And then we have something called ORC, Oracle Recruiting Cloud, and some modules like help desk and safety. Okay. And HCM communicate. Like we have a couple of modules as well, team, right? So these all are the modules that we have in the Fusion application, team. What is that? Modules in Fusion HCM. Okay. Now, team, a part of these modules, we have also some concepts in the system. What are they? Okay, we have some of the other configurations as well, team, or other concepts in the system, team. What are they? We have something called, team, security administration. Okay, administration. Then we have something called, team, workflows and approval management. Okay, and then we have, team, sandbox. In that we have different components, okay, like HCM design studio, okay, uh, page composer, then page integration, couple of things. We have sandbox, and then, team, we have something like inbound integrations, team. Here we have something like HCM data loader and spreadsheet data loader, team. Two data migration tools we have here. And then we have something like outbound integration. Total concepts in this technology I am listing out, team. Okay. And what we are going to see as part of this training, and once, or if you have to secure a job, what really required, I will tell you, team, now. So in outbound integrations, team, we have something like BI publisher report, OTBI reports, HCM extracts. Okay, we have, team. And a part of this, team, we have one common concept in many modules, team, that is fast formulas. Okay. So these are the total concepts we have in Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications, team. Now, if I have to segregate what comes under functional and what comes under technical, all these modules in the system, okay, all these modules in the system comes under functional side of the application, team. All the modules comes under the functional side of the application, because it is very important, team. When you're learning the technology, what you're learning, clearly you should know. So in this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud application, all the modules in the system comes under functional side of the application, team. All these components, team, comes under the technical side of the application. Comes under the technical side of the application. See, as part of the training, we include this into technical. But if you ask me, out of my experience, what Oracle also telling is, even security, workflows, sandbox, these concepts are part of functional only. But many training institutes, even including me in my TrioTech also, we segregate these concepts into technical. Because in EBS, prior to Fusion team, this concept used to take care by technical team. But in Fusion system, you can consider these three also part of functional. Okay. But putting aside that, team, these are the functional and these are the technical concepts in the Fusion system, team. Okay. Now, what are these, Kumar? See, in core HR module, team, we are going to see entire client's organization configurations and basically employee management, team. From employee hire to exit, entire employee management will be handled in the core HR module. In absence module, team, it is a leave management module, team. Nothing but all employee leaves, because in every organization, different leaves will be provided. What are the leaves that our client providing to their employees? What are their calculation rules? And how employees applying the leaves? That all we will configure in leave management module, team. Then every company will pay salaries to the employee. It might be monthly, weekly, or bi-weekly. So all the salary processings, we will set up the configurations related to that, everything in payroll management, team. Then every organization will have the performance appraisals every year. So we have talent management module for catering that, team. Then we have compensation and benefits team on top of payroll team. Any additional compensation you want to pay to the employee, like bonus, overtime, any shares, stocks you want to give. In compensation module, we are going to configure that. Benefits module. In some countries team, employees should be mandatorily enrolled with some insurance plans, particularly in US. They have medical insurances, dental insurances, that all things we will handle in the benefits module team. Then we have OTL module, Oracle Time and Labor. See, in every organization, employee attendance recording is very important. Like employee, when he came and when he leave, punch in, punch out, swipe in, swipe out cards, okay, or time sheets. Entire employee time management we will be handling in the OTL module team. Then we have OLC, Oracle Learning Cloud. See, if you have an experienced team, if you join in any organization, particularly MNCs, if you see, first 1 week, whenever the induction programs is there, they will ask you to complete some mandatory trainings in the organization. Some video recording sessions will be given to you. You have to go through the lectures, then and their exams they will conduct, and you have to complete that, right? Organization policies, security policies, everything. So Oracle within the Fusion system came up with a module called Oracle Learning Cloud. So where courses can be designed, lectures can be designed, and employees can be enrolled to the courses and they can conduct the trainings in that team. So that is Oracle Learning Cloud module. Then we have ORC, Oracle Recruiting Cloud. See, all the recruiting activities to handle, like usually team in the organization, business people will identify how many people required in their department. They will reach to HR. HR will reach what they will do. HR will drop the requirements in the Naukri different job portals, okay, job postings, and then collecting the resumes, conducting the interviews, then onboarding the employees. Everything will happen in the ORC module team, Oracle Recruiting Cloud. Then help desk and safety, like this is internal ticketing tool, something like if your client want to use some support desk in the system team, all the employees, if any complaints they have or anything they want to issue, help desk is one module we have in the system team, like they can use as an internal ticketing tool to address all the employees issue. So like this team we have different modules available in the Fusion application team. And similarly, we have concepts like security, like employee person with name Ye. I don't know who is this. Can you please stop annotating, please? Because on the screen we could able to see some uh, lines drawing by you. Please stop annotating, team, so that we can continue. So we have a security administration module team. Here we will be talking about the user account management, like when employee hired in the system, once the client started using, how the user accounts for them will be created, that all. Then we have workflows and approvals module team, something like in every application, whenever different transactions being performed team, approval should be going up. For example, my client might be asking, Kumar, whenever an employee apply the leave in the system, it should go for concerned manager for approval. Okay, that all approvals we will be handling in the workflows and approvals team. And then we have sandbox, something like if the client want to customize the application team, like they want to have their logo here, they want to change the fonts, they want to change the background themes, okay, or they want something, these icons to be in a different color, any application level customizations client want to do, then we have a concept or a module called sandbox team. In this we will be doing that. And then we have something like inbound integrations team. What is that inbound integrations team? Okay, something like whenever a client using the application team, any data that they want to bulk upload. For example, team, we are working for a client, Reliance Industries team. Okay, now Reliance given the project to our company. Let's take up this example. Reliance Industries, okay, bought the product from Oracle team. This is the client company now. Now Reliance given the project to Deloitte. We are working here in the Deloitte team. We got the project. So Reliance, prior to Oracle, they might be using SAP system team. Okay. SAP system team. In Reliance Industries, 20,000 employees data is there. Means 20,000 employees is the size of Reliance Industries team. Okay. So prior to Oracle, now Reliance moving from SAP to Oracle team as part of their HR business area. In their existing SAP system, all their employees data is there, 20,000 employees data. Now Oracle Fusion applications they're implementing, we from Deloitte implementing team. Clients existing data from their existing system, we have to migrate to the Fusion system, correct team? That we will call it as a data migration. There is a phase in the real-time implementations team. So manually, I can't hire the 20,000 employees in the system. So Oracle given something called HCM data loader and spreadsheet data loader. These are the data migration tools for bulk uploading of data team. So any sort of bulk data that you want to upload into the Fusion system, we will be using this HDL and spreadsheet data loader. This is one of the example I'm telling, but once we start our training and once we reach out here team, you will understand why we have this inbound integration. The name itself, see team, any data that you want to inbound into the Fusion system from outside, we have this data migration tools team. Similarly, we have outbound integrations, BI reports, OTBI reports, HCM extracts. Any data from the system, if the client want to extract, once they start using the system team, client want to extract several data from the system. Like in this June month, how many employees are hired? Or in this June month, how many employees transferred or resigned? Or from the last 3 months, for how many employees annual leaves applied? Any sort of data from any module your client might require to extract in. For that matter, Oracle given 3 reporting tools in the system: BI reports, OTBI reports, and HCM extracts. So this we will call as outbound integrations team. Any data that you are outbounding from the Fusion system, we have that. And then team, finally, we have a concept called fast formula. In absence module, payroll module, compensation module, in couple of modules team, in order to maintain certain validations, in order to write certain calculational rules or logics, Oracle given something called fast formulas team. So these all are the total concepts we have in this technology team. Now coming to any prerequisites to learn this course. As I keep on telling from last 1 hour team, this is absolutely zero coding application. There are no prerequisites to learn this course. You don't require any prior languages like PLSQL, SQL, Java, Python, nothing to know team. And anyone from any background can move into this technology, I'm telling you. So here team, if anyone heard that Kumar, we require some SQL requirement in the technical side to handle. In the technical side, in this outbound integration, in this BI publisher reports team, we require SQL knowledge. Only here, we require SQL knowledge team. OTBI even extracts also SQL knowledge here also slightly required, but even without that, we can complete that team. But BI publisher reports is something in the entire system we require SQL knowledge, because here while we building the BI publisher report, we have to write the query and we have to pull the data from the database tables team. Only here it is required. But if you are not familiar with this, I don't suggest you to learn now, not required. Because whoever working in this technology in the real-time market team, none of them will have the knowledge and all the aspects. No, as we are trainers, we have knowledge on that. But people who are really working in the real-time projects, none of the consultants will have knowledge on all this. So this BIP reports part, we will not include in our curriculum, sorry, in our CV, in our resume. Rest of the components we will keep and we will go team. If you are familiar with that, then fair enough, you can include that also. Only here only SQL prerequisite is there, but rest of all the application, 98% or 99% of the application, completely you don't require to learn anything prior to learning this technology. Whatever the curriculum that we covering, that is sufficient to secure a job. Okay. And coming to the roles, what sort of roles are available in the market team in this technology once you drop your resume? See, typically these are the types of roles will be their team. Functional consultant, okay, then technical consultant, okay, and then techno-functional consultant. Typically team, the roles are categorized into three. See, in some companies they might call as consultant, in some company the same role they might call as analyst, associate, that might be different, but typically these are the three types of roles will be there. Once you learn this technology and once you drop your resume team, you will be recruited in either of these. Functional consultant means what team? A person who will completely work on the functional implementation, the module implementation team. Technical consultant, person who will work on these concepts, inbound integrations and outbound integrations team. He will be called as technical consultant. Techno-functional consultant, this is the cream layer or the most demanded role in the market team. Person who can do both functional and technical. See team, the scope of technicality in Fusion applications is very minimal. We as a functional consultants also can do the technical work as well team. So that is why now the market mostly interested for this techno-functional consultant. Rather than taking two people, one functional, one technical in the project, if I take a person who is a techno-functional, who knows both, the cost cutting will be there for the company. Person can do both, right? Rather than taking two resources, one resource company can take. So even I suggest, or even this course curriculum also designed for a techno-functional training team. Once you complete this program, you will be dropping your resume as a techno-functional consultant. See, in a project, if you take in the market team, let's suppose if 10 resources are there in the project team, means 10 consultants working, resources means out of them team, 7 to 8 resources will be functional resources team. Technical will be team, okay, 7 to 8 will be functional. Only 2 to 3 maximum will be team technical resources. Because a functional guy only can also handle the technical work in the Fusion. So if you are dropping the resume only with technical consultant, then definitely the calls ratio, if you see, will be very less. Only functional if you drop, fair enough. Or techno-functional, fair enough. Only technical will have less demand team. So in a market, if you take any project implementation team, if 10 HCM resources are working in a project implementation, 7 to 8 will be functional resources and 2 to 3 will be technical team. That is why I suggest to learn, rather than going as functional or technical, go with techno-functional team. So definitely your profile will be screened very quickly when you drop your resume in the job portals like Naukri, Indeed, Monster, LinkedIn. Techno-functional is having high demand team. So these are the typical types of roles available once you learn this technology team. And what is the work you are going to do in that? I told you already. When your company got the project, you are working in Deloitte in this technology. Now Deloitte got the project from the client Reliance team. We will be deployed for that client project implementation. So in the client application, client will buy the application. We will configure the system. All these modules, these things we will configure in the client system and we will hand over. So we will be working on the implementation of the product team. Okay. So these are the typical roles we have in the market. And then team, as part of this program, let me tell you what all concepts we are covering, team. As I told you, team, this is going to be a techno-functional training for a span of 3 months duration, team. In this, whatever that I'm highlighting, core HR, absence, payroll, talent, and compensation module. These modules from the functional side will be covered, team. And from the technical side, these all concepts will be covered, team. So as part of this curriculum, whatever the 3 months program that we are taking up, team, these are the concepts we are going to cover: core HR, absence, payroll, talent, compensation, and security, workflows, sandbox, inbound integrations, outbound integrations, and fast formula. So this is going to be a comprehensive end-to-end techno-functional training, team, for the span of 3 months duration. So today, as it is a weekend Saturday, we had the demo at 8 o'clock in the morning, but the regular classes will be starting from Monday onwards, team. Today is 29th June. Monday is 1st July. Okay. From Monday, we are starting the regular classes, team, and the timings will be morning 7 to 8 a.m. So if you see the course features, team, what all benefits that you are going to get as part of this program. The duration of the program will be for 3 months. Okay, 90 hours program total, team. And then the timings will be Monday to Friday. Saturday and Sunday, you will not have the sessions. Today is the demo we conducted on Saturday at 8 o'clock. But from Monday, July 1st, the regular classes will be starting, team. Monday to Friday, morning 7 to 8 a.m. 1 hour online training you will be having, team. Along with that live training, you will be getting lifetime access to the video recordings. Lifetime access to the video recordings. What is this, team? Any day, if you miss attending the session, you want to get the recording of that to go through. Every session will be recorded, team, and it will be shared to you. Where you will be getting the recordings, we are not going to share it like YouTube or you like Google Drive or something. In our website, if you go to TrioTechSoftwareTrainings.com, you have a login option, team. Once you enroll today, you will be getting the access credentials to you. You can log in with this live classes, and then you can log in with your user ID and password, team. This will be sent to your email after the enrollment. Okay. So let me take up any user in the system and let me sign in. So once you sign in, team, you can see your dashboard here. Okay. And here on the left hand side, you have your enrolled courses. And here you can see, team, your class will be there. Okay. And then all the sessions, topic wise, it will get uploaded here, team. If you click on the session, you can able to watch. It's a password encrypted, team. This will be shared only to the enrolled participants. Once you give the password, and you can able to watch the session. This is financials course. For example, I'm showing you, team. So this dashboard or this learning management system, LMS portal access, you will be getting for lifetime, team. All the sessions will be given to you in that LMS portal, whatever the sessions that we are conducting every day, morning 7 to 8, and you will be getting that for lifetime. Once we give the access to you, you can change the password of your account. That will be exclusively for you, team. Okay. And then along with the training and the video access, you will be provided with the Fusion HCM cloud application for practicing, team. 5 months stable private server access you will be getting. So here the most important thing you should understand. Usually everywhere you will be getting the demo instances, team. Means what? Every 3 to 5 days, whatever the configurations you do in the system, the application will get refreshed and all the data will be removed from that. Again, you have to redo all the things from day one, team. But we have our own private server, team, dedicatedly. We are partnered with Oracle, and it will be given to you for 5 months. Private server access, end-to-end full life cycle of implementation you can do in the system, right? That is, you are getting exclusively from TrioTech, private server. Along with that, as a standby, you also get the demo instance also, team, public cloud. So total 5 months of server access you will get for practicing, and lifetime video access, along with every day morning 7 to 8 live training, team. And along with that, you will be getting a detailed materials drive folder link. A Google Drive folder link will be shared to you, where you can download all your materials for every module. Materials means not Oracle delivered, team. Example I can show you. These are our own custom materials, team. For example, this is for a core HR module, 130-page materials documents, day-wise class, whatever I'm going to take will be recorded, team, and step-by-step manual. If you don't have the time to go through the classes, team, by going through the material also, you can complete your course. Step-by-step screenshots, manuals will be provided for every module. And team, along with this, coming to the placement assistance, team, every module we will provide you the live project assignments, team, like this. For every module, you will be provided with the assignments. We will ask you to we will give you the scenarios, team, of the real time. All these are scenarios. You have to submit the assignments, team. For every module, this is for core HR, and this is for absence management, team. We will give you the real time scenarios, the requirements to you, and you have to configure in the system. So this will give you a live project experience to you. Whatever personally the projects that I worked on or I am working on currently, from that I'm going to give you the requirements to you, so that you will be having the hands-on understanding or the experience in the system. So materials for every module will be given, assignments for every module will be given, and also, team, for every module we will provide the interview question and answers booklets as well. All freshers and also scenario based experienced interview question and answers. See, this is the interview question and answers document for core HR module. All interview question and answers materials also you will get, team. Along with that, as I told you, we will conduct workshop sessions on the placement activities, team. Starting with project implementation, we have a workshop session that will be conducting, team, where we will be explaining you implementation methodology, what are the different types of projects we have, different documents that we have to prepare for the client. So all these things, team, we are going to explain you what are the different environments that you will be working on. Then when client got the license, how the welcome email he will receive. From that, what are the different projects, implementation means what, support means what, testing means what. Then in each project, what are the different teams, what will be the team size, what are the communication channels we will use. These all are out of the box, not the concept. Anyhow, modules we will complete as part of the regular training. But to give you the realistic experience, team, the project experience, we are going to conduct the workshop on all these activities. The implementation project or support project means what is meant by ticket, what are the different status meetings we have, different ticket statuses means what. These all things you will be covered. Sample ticketing tools showing to you. These all will be covered as part of your workshop sessions, team. During that time, we also conduct the sessions on resume preparations. We will give you the sample resumes folders to you, team. Okay. You will have to prepare the sample draft version and you can share it back to us after going through the session. And our team will help you out in the resume preparations, team. And as I told you, interview question and answers will be provided to you. And every Saturday and Sunday, we will be having the mocks. So we request students to proactively participate in that. So whenever you are learning, team, once you complete that and once the resume preparation is done for you, you should reach us for the mock interviews, team. Every Saturday and Sunday between 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. in TrioTech office in Hyderabad, we will be having the mock interviews. People from other cities or other countries, you can connect to Zoom also. Sometimes I will be part of the panel, or sometimes my colleagues who are currently working professionals, they will be taking up the mocks team. So ideally, if you attend that, you will understand the current market questioning pattern, how the interviewers will ask you. So your way of preparation will be changing team. Once you attend the mock, till that time you will prepare in one way. But once you attend that, the way of preparation, you will be molding according to that questioning pattern team. So this will be happening every weekend. So whoever interested, they can participate in this mock interviews team. And from our side, we will also refer the profile for full-time and for freelancing activities, because every month companies will be reaching out to me for trained resources. So every month, this will be an ongoing activity in TrioTech team. So once you enroll, you will be added into the WhatsApp community team. So every time the requirements will be published in that, and we will be sharing the profiles to the companies for the interviews to schedule from our side. So with due all this support, 3 months dedicatedly, if you could able to spend your time every day, 1 hour class and more 1 to 2 hours of practice, within 4 months, you can able to definitely clear the interview. We have many success stories, team, that which we have seen within 4 to 5 months, people getting into their dream jobs. If you could follow our Instagram channel or YouTube channel, we will be posting up the success stories there. The recently also yesterday I have posted, if someone following my statuses team, person Mohan got 20 lakhs package, who completed the course and within 4 months he got into the role team. Manasa, we have many cases team. If you could see here, like this, we will post the job referrals in the community. Whenever we receive the requirements in your WhatsApp community, it will be posted up team. And some of our students who got placed up in the companies, like they placed in Deloitte, Accenture, Evosys, Apps Associate from Hyderabad, E&Y, from different companies team. Usually HRs will be reaching out to us for the resources. We will be sharing team. And even you could follow us in our Google business profile as well to find the latest reviews of the students who got placed team. Okay. You can even find the reviews in the Google. And some of the success stories, if you can see, participants who got placed in companies, they shared us back the few points back to us team, thanking us about the curriculum, everything. You can even find some of the placement proofs, and you could follow our channel team so that you can find more placement success stories as well. So this is about the entire course program team. So today is the demo. I request everyone to please confirm the enrollments team. From Monday, you will be starting with the regular classes from July 1st onwards. Timings will be morning 7 to 8. We will be sharing the Zoom meeting link to you on Sunday evening. Whoever the people enrolled, we will be sharing the Zoom meeting link for the enrolled participants team. And for the enrolled participants, you will be added into the WhatsApp group of this batch, and the LMS portal access you will get, materials folder, instance access, everything team. And coming to the course fee, what is the course fee? So the actual course fee will be 25,000 team for 3 months training program with lifetime video access and 5 months of private server with all the interview assistants and placement assistants team. But we have an early bird offer. This will happen usually on day 1 for every batch team, only for 1 day. That is valid only for today. So people who enrolling today, we are going to provide this early bird offer at 22,999, and you will be getting much more benefits as well team. Usually you will be getting 5 months server access, but people who enrolling on day 1 with this early bird offer, you will be getting additional 2 months private server team, means total 7 months server access you will be getting, and that worth is 6,000 rupees team additionally. Because once you complete the training, if you want to take on a monthly basis the private server anywhere in the market, if you check per month, usually they will charge 3 to 4,000 rupees. So 2 months means 6,000 it is. So you will be getting 7 months server access only for the people who enrolling with this early bird offer team. The offer will be valid for today. From tomorrow, who will be enrolling, the price will be 25,000 team, and the instance access also will be 5 months. And on top of this, people who enrolling with this early bird, we are also providing fast formula guide. What is that? When it comes to the fast formula team, we will be providing you ready-made with 100 plus ready-made fast formulas with different business requirements that we worked on in the projects. You take absence module, payroll module, ready-made that you can use in your real-time projects team. Means you don't need to write, already ready-made fast formulas with different business case studies, 100 plus fast formulas booklet you will be getting team. That also people who enrolling with this early bird offer will be getting as an additional benefit team. Okay. And also from the point of HDLs, whenever we working on HDLs team, certain standard templates for HDLs are required. So ready-made HDL templates also you will be getting as part of this. So you will be getting additional bonus worth 6,000 rupees of 2 months additional server access team, and also fast formula and HDL implementation template guides you will be getting as free of cost team. So this is about the course fee that you have to be enrolling team. So this is the early bird offer valid for today. The price will be team, that is 22,999. From tomorrow it will be increased to regular price. We can't go with anything beyond that team. And from Monday we are starting the classes. Please note down the timings team. From Monday it will be morning 7 to 8. If you miss the session, don't worry, you will be getting the recordings. The portal access will be given to your team. So before taking up the questions, let me go through this slide and I will conclude team. Now, many people are from different backgrounds, as I told you. Again, I am telling you team, if you ever said to yourself how to get a job in software industry without having any coding language or no prior experience, you have long career gap, 5 years, 6 years, 10 years career gap. Now you want to move to IT. Okay. And you don't know how to prepare your CV or how to prepare for the interviews, then don't worry team. We at the TrioTech will be able to guide you for all these process, and this technology will be suitable for any background people. Again, I am telling you, no coding is required for this technology. So anyone with any background, with any non-IT career gaps, freshers, anyone can learn this team. Some common myths people will have. I'm not from IT background. Can I do this? Okay, I don't feel confident enough to learn this because I'm not from a technical educational background. I'm too old. Then what I can do? Can I have the experience showcasing, or can I try? And what will be the future for this HCM cloud? Do freshers have interviews called? See team, in this technology, freshers and experienced, both recruitments are happening team. Even last month from Clover Infotech and B-Trans in Hyderabad, 7 of our students placed with a package of 4.7 team as a freshers. So companies do recruit freshers as well and also experienced team. And coming to the packages, if you see, fresher packages currently in the market somewhere around 4.5 to 6 lakhs team, and an experienced professional with relevant experience of HCM, 4 to 5 years experience people drawing somewhere between 15 to 25 lakhs packages. As I told you, many companies opted Oracle Fusion application nowadays, but as much of resources to handle that not available. That is a reason team, packages in these technologies are also phenomenally offering high compared to other domains. And moreover team, out of my experience, if you ask me, recession impact is very minimal in this technology. I don't say that it's zero, but very minimal impact is there, because team, these ERP applications are, okay, applications which companies use to run their day-to-day activities team. So without using these application, companies cannot run every day, correct? In their day-to-day usage of their different business activities, these ERP applications are being used. So any recession hits, but people who working in this domain will have very minimal impact until unless you are not performing well, you kept on the bench, then we can't assure you. But losing the jobs with recession in this technology, we didn't heard in this domain team. And moreover, people will have a doubt. If we learn this technology, Kumar, how many years this will be there? Because it's a common myth people will have. Every 1 year, 2 years, we have to change the domain in IT. But that is not with ERP stream. I'm not talking about Oracle. It might be SAP, Oracle, Workday, Salesforce, anything. If you're choosing your career in this ERP application stream, you will have a very long lasting career. Because if you take an example team, Oracle EBS or PeopleSoft from last 25 years there, SAP is there from last 40 years, but still people working on that domains. Any ERP application you take, long lasting career you will be having team. For next 15, 20 years in the market, these fusion applications are going to be there. So once you get into the job, you can be steadily going into heights in your career team. Okay. So this is about the in and out Oracle Fusion HCM cloud demo I planned for today team. So I request everyone, please confirm your enrollments today to get this early bird offer and additional work benefits also team. And from Monday, we are starting regular classes morning 7 to 8. So we will share the new Zoom meeting link for the enrolled participants team. Demo session is free. From Monday, paid participants will be added into the group and will be shared. So you can reach out to us in the number that displaying in the PPT here, or if you fill the Google form that our team sharing to you, we will be reaching out to you at the end of the session team. So please follow us in the WhatsApp. We will be sending you the today's recording also in the WhatsApp team. If any one of your colleagues or someone missed attending the session, feel free to share that recording as well, team.